Patil Institute of Management is a part of the reputed Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust, founded 3 decades ago by late Shri S.B. Patil and other trustees with a mission to serve the society, industry and stakeholders. The institute has an intake of 180 seats per year. We offer major and minor specializations in marketing, finance, human resources, operations and supply chain management, business analytics and international business. More than 45,000 students have passed out since its inception. SBPIM has faculty who are doctorates and have industry experience.
I've had an amazing experience. The last 2 years have been full of learning, training and activities which have helped me to gain more skills and sharpen my skills. And I would like to give the credit to faculty. They have helped me overall by their knowledge and their guidance in different fields. I'm very happy to be the part of this institute. I have back an excellent package and all the credit goes to faculty and the teaching pedagogy.
The faculty at SBPIM are professional trainers and deliver customized training programs as per industry requirements. Group discussions, field trips, mentorship activities and student clubs are a part of the extracurricular activities at SBPIM.
At Pimpri Chinchwad Education Trust, we try to provide internship as well as placement opportunities to all our students. We remain in touch with almost around 1,000 companies for this purpose, and through the efforts of on-campus as well as off-campus recruitment drives, we have placed almost around 27,000 students till date.
SBPIM has smart classrooms and a digital library with 10,000 plus books, 4,000 plus online books and journals, and a rich database for research. Industry and academic experts are regularly invited for trainings, seminars and workshops to speak on current trends in the corporate world. PCT International Relations has an MOU with 23 foreign universities for student exchange programs, faculty research, teaching and PhD. SBPIM is accredited by NAC and our MBA program is accredited by NBA. SBPIM has been ranked 89th among top 200 MBA colleges in India for 2023 by Outlook iCare India. PCT has inaugurated its very first community radio station, Infinity 90.4 FM, for the upliftment of society and to enhance the cultural life of Pimpri Chinchwad. development of the students, we are now coming up with a self-financed university called Pimpri Chinchwad University, where learners can pursue various courses at UG and PG level.
I'm an athlete and sports is a very important part of my life. At SBPM, ample opportunities are provided for student clubs, sports activities and various events. This institute has helped me spread not only my athletic wings but also my artistic wings. I have participated in various events that has helped me create unforgettable memories for life.